Hello viewers and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm at Medlow Bar. I'd like to show you guys something really cool. We have a brand new passenger information display screens here at Medlow Bar. I've never seen this before until at this moment. Looks pretty cool. I might show it on this side so don't get the sun in the way. Sorry about the glare, guys. Take it around the other side. Apologies for the glare in the fence, guys. I'll do my best. Little neck maps here. It's all regional. We'll try. So touchscreen technology. And also you can check out the Sydney Trains network map, which unfortunately still connects the Epina Chatswood Rail link around here, which would have celebrated its 10th birthday next month, unfortunately. So we'll go home here. Also you check out, also going to help plan your trip. So click on the credit keyboard. Also check out your language as well. Want to know your station on facilities close by. This is a U toy. Station details. Lovely little, cute little toy, this. Anyway, viewers, that's all I had to show you guys. There's not much more I can film here. It's time now to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. And also don't forget to click on the notification bell on the bottom right hand corner of the screen, right next to the subscribe tab. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. And I will see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.